Right. What the fuck?
There's a fridge. And a freezer.
Why is it we find all these fridges and...
Oh. Another tiny bit there. That door doesn't look very useful.
That's what that comes out of it.
Look at that's where the gate is actually.
That's how you used to keep you before they started putting the metal in it.
What the heck?
I don't think they're coming in there.
Just go in there.
So over here.
Okay.
You just Jerry? What? Yo.
Dude, fucking go up the stairs, come on. Stop playing this week. The fuck? I just spat in the heat. The fuck?
It's a one.
It's cops.
Don't fucking wipe them out.
It's fucking collapsing. What's it? The old gun. Hey, we need to explore the house. Find a hole in the floor.
Where is that again? Huh?
Yeah. What? Oh. Alright.
No, that's no safe.
What?
Fucking big ginormous hole, validator.
What? The what right now?
Aye, what now?
That's not safe. Right up here.
Aye, I was rooting at it when that's safe, but... Safe. Don't trust it.
No, fuck that.
I thought so. I'd say the man who fucking breeding. Safe. I also put a bit out on my TikTok as well. I'm tree drone in this one.
The fuck?
Whoa!
That should be good for a fire. Some cuts obviously already tried that.
That was a bit sick. Hey,
Like somebody what?
turn down the alarm, mate.
Dude.
Yo.
Change your bulbs and the lights, they're not working.
What's that?
The lights don't work, we need to change the bulbs.
You can view it there as well.
Right.
They're there.
I know, but how the fuck are you going to get there?
Is that not very handy, sir?
Oh, the floor's collapsed.
Is it?
Mine do have to fucking walk over it.
Oh, I should do. And that room is like barely not in it, man.
What?
I think I found the ceiling.
What?
I think I found the ceiling.
What the fuck? They're coming in the ceiling?
Mate, I don't trust that room.
Oh no, what the fuck does that say? Lanarkshire television room.
Wait, is that 10 of them?
Television room. I don't know if there's rats around here, dude.
Lanarkshire television room. Yeah, I don't think there's a television room anymore.
What?
What the fuck are you doing?
What? That pot just fell.
Don't know.
It's unfair, man. It's fucking heavy. One fucking brick or something for man. It's a punched drywall. Oh wait, shit, it'll be that, won't it?
Oh, it will be driver, aye.
I fucking punched it and it all filled in. Is that a pot?
A what? No, that's something I've got drained.
The fuck?
Oh, I'm done on YouTube, there you go. Sitting tied to TikTok, man, you end up doing YouTube as well.
I don't fucking trust this place. I feel like if I touch her on the
Oh,
wall,
that's burn me, something.
Dude.
Yeah.
The wall's been declared.
Oh, what the? Yeah, the wall kind of collapsing, I don't know, but yeah. Yeah, and this will be on YouTube as well. Right. Settle tips.
Oh fuck.
Well, what the fuck?
Almost didn't fucking hole.
So somebody went through that before. Look at that.
You know what, they obviously fucking were so bad and they just fucking went through it. No. I just stood there and it collapses that bit. What the fuck is doing my top? I think it's about to fucking drywall.
See when you were walking along the top, we got a video of the tiles like falling down.
Did you?
Yeah.
Fucking drywall to my top. Try and get this from caught.
You can't get it out, you need an angle grinder.
Got my job.
Yeah, I won't trust this place. I won't trust this place.
This is another television room.
So what?
I'm not sure if television room. Do you like the door works? Dude. I think the door's a bit broken.
What the fuck?
It's a bit flimsy. I bet you can get it off its hinges. Fuck.